All right, YouTube, good morning. It's Sunday. We're going to go gold prospecting in Pennsylvania, and I wanted to check the oil on the Sequoia. It's just about due for an oil change, and we use Valveoline Restore and Protect in the last oil change. So let me show you there's no BS here. 303,090 miles is on the clock. Let me just flip it so you zoom in. 303,090 miles. It's due at 303. So I have the engine oil dipstick out. Let me show you. So let me zoom out here. So let me shut it off. And then this is the paper towel that I was checking my oil with. Look at the color of the oil. This engine, I change the oil every 3,000 miles-ish. It doesn't really go much over 3,000 miles. And it usually burns oil within 3,000 miles. So this is a 6-quart system. It's usually a quart down in about 3,000 miles. But you could still see it's very clean still and very little deposits in it. And I do change the oil filter every time. So let me just check the oil in front of you. Who thinks that the key chime ding, ding, bing, bing, bings are annoying? I do. You know, you're working on a car and it's bing, bling, 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 bling. All right, so this one has a dipstick tube that doesn't go into the valve cover. It goes right down into the engine block, which does not skew your oil level checks. Come on, let's get it into the screen there. Boom! Do you see that? Look how clean that is. And it's just above the top hole in the stick. I'm so impressed. So, Valveoline Restore and Protect. In 3,000 miles, this vehicle has not burned any oil. So here's the proof right here. I know this engine burned oil. This is the way I purchased this car. And I've done motor flushes. I've done 3,000 mile oil changes. And I believe the last oil change, it was down a quart. And then we did switch this engine to Valveoline Restore and Protect. And keep in mind, I maintain this car. It's got all new coils and plugs. The throttle body's been cleaned. The mass airflow sensor, the filters, fuel injection services, acetone services in the gas tank for fuel injection maintenance, fuel injector maintenance. This engine is maintained. 303,000 miles. And we drive this vehicle everywhere. It gets driven every day. It gets driven 80, 90 miles an hour to Pennsylvania every weekend. And this is proof right here that Valveoline Restore and Protect does work. It's worked on my own car. And we've used regular synthetic blend in this engine for a while, 530 bulk oil. And I just switched that. It's a shame the F-150 oil pump blew up because we had Valveoline Restore and Protect in there, and that engine also burned oil. But the oil pump, you know, grenaded. So that's the way it is sometimes on high mileage stuff. But 303,000 miles on my 04 Sequoia. Restore and Protect made a difference. I'm not going to push this oil any longer. We're going to change the oil Monday. I'll probably do a video on that and rotate the tires. I also need to change the camber settings on the front of this. I did buy the parts, but you can see it's got some outside tire wear. And when you put ride height correction kits on this, it pushes the camber up, and then the ball joints need these adjustable adapters. I got them, I never put them on, but I can see the tire wear is getting heavy on it. But we're driving the crap out of this thing. But I'm so impressed. Look at the color on the napkin. So you are going to get deposits on your dipstick too, as Valveoline Restore and Protect is cleaning. But you can see how clean that oil is in 3,000 miles. That's what you want to see. Thanks for watching.